Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 8 Sweerie in Newburgh. This is a really spacious 2-bedroom upper flat on an elevated plot, giving you stunning panoramic views right across the River Tay, while also having your own outdoor garden space. And what's great with this property is the central location. You've got local amenities within a short walking distance. You've got cafes, shops, bakers, as well as the local primary school. What's great from this location as well is the commuting links. So if you need to get to Perth, Dundee, Edinburgh or beyond, this is an ideal location for you. So what I'm going to do is take you inside, take you on the tour. Of course, I'm going to show you those uninterrupted views, and as always, keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is the entrance to your property, number 8. Before we head inside, let me just show you how you get here. But look at that, sneak peek. Got a gorgeous stage to showcase it. But you can just imagine from upstairs as well how incredible these views are going to be. So you park just on the street just here. You can see my vehicle just there. There's a set of stairs that you come up and then you're straight to your front door. But look at that for a view. That is a great view that you're never going to get bored of. But then we head to the front door. I'll come outside and show you your outdoor garden space shortly. But we're going to head inside and straight up the stairs to your property. So 2 bedrooms, don't forget. So we'll start in the first one. So you come into your first bedroom. Great size room, and what's perfect with this property is just how much storage you get. So you've got fitted wardrobes in there for storage. You've got the alcove in there for storage. Further storage just there. And then a cupboard just there as well. So ample storage, which is brilliant. And a great amount of floor space for all of your bedroom furniture. Back out into your hallway. You then come into your living room space. Look at this, isn't this a great size? Really are spoilt with the size of this room. Lovely and bright as well. Don't worry, we're going to get to that view in just a second. So obviously you can have a fireplace just there. You've got your alcove for further storage. All of this is your living room space. And if need be, you could actually get a little breakfasting table in the corner perhaps, or even a working from home desk office space. But then this is your outlook. Completely panoramic right across the River Tay and beyond. It's just stunning. And you know that that view is not going anywhere because you're elevated and it's completely uninterrupted. It's just perfect. Something you will never get bored of. So this is your living room. Then we come into your second bedroom. Again, a good size, easily get a double in this room. And you just have, just like your other bedroom, an outlook to the garden space. And actually this is just gives you an idea, but see that whole square? That is your garden space, but we're going to come out to there shortly. Got an alcove for storage. So you can see just how spacious this property is, and even just standing there you still get the view. It's just incredible. Back out into your hallway. You have storage cupboard on the left just here. So again, further storage, making it really practical. You then step into your contemporary kitchen. So you've got ample cabinet and worktop space. You can see you've got space for your freestanding appliances. And then behind me just here, you have your hob and oven, and then again a further freestanding space. That would be where you'd be looking to put your fridge. And then just like from your living room, you get the incredible views as well. Just fantastic. And you can see we've got a beautiful blue sky as well to really showcase it today. And it gives you an idea of just how bright it makes the property. Then finally, we come to your shower room. So you have your shower room with your WC, your wash hand basin, and then you have your enclosed thermostatic shower that actually has a rainfall head as well as another separate head. Really practical, but you have your shower room. So there we go, that is your flat. But let's head back outside and I'll just show you your outdoor garden space. But as you can see, it's really spacious. And then it's brilliant having the addition of this as well, because not often do you get your own private space. So coming out, you have a dry and green area just here, which you can make use out of. But then you head just through here. And then so in this fenced area just here is your outdoor garden space, which is fantastic because you can make this really your own, put your own stamp on it. It's almost a blank canvas for you, whether you do deck, you could do a pergola, you could do a veg plot, add some greenery, add some colour. But it's a complete blank canvas for you to just really make it your own. You could even get a big summer house out here like some of your neighbouring properties have done. But this is a brilliant addition to have. But let's do a recap of number 8. So that was a personal property tour for 8 Sweerie in Newburgh. As you've just seen for yourself, you're getting a really spacious 2-bedroom upper flat. You're getting great size rooms. You're getting ample storage throughout, making it really practical. And of course, what's great and you are never going to get bored of is not only in your kitchen, but also in your living room, you're getting to take full advantage of these stunning, uninterrupted panoramic views. Something you are never going to get bored of waking up to. Not only that, you're on the elevated plot, so you know that's not going anywhere, while also getting your own outdoor garden space that you can really put your stamp on and make it your own, while still having all of your amenities on your doorstep. So this really is not to be missed. You're just walking distance to the cafes, to the shops. You've got the large co-op for convenience items. If you also require a primary school, you've got the local Newburgh primary school. What's great from this location as well is your commuting links. Short driving, you can be onto the M90 to get to Perth, Edinburgh, Dundee or beyond. So this really is an ideal location and you are never going to get bored of waking up to those views. So if you would like to get more details on this property, click the link, message me directly, or feel free to call the team on 01 334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties, take care.